At this point, you need an internet browser. In the internet browser, you type in www.spellingcity.com, and you should get a screen that looks like this. At this point, you're going to register for free. You can poke around on this website if you want later to see what other items are available for premium members, but I like to use the free options. So I'll walk you through. Over here, you can see you need to register. Click register. And it will ask you for some information. Come on, there we go. Type in your name, create a username, put in your email address, and again. I don't like to sign up for news, so unclick your teacher, and you do need to find your school. So you click Find My School. Here's my school. And what that does is it enables students to later find you in SpellingCity.com. Okay? You're agreeing with the terms and conditions. Of course, we've read them all. And registering. All right, on this page, you aren't going to pay for students unless you want to. And you're going to say, no thanks, I'm okay with the free version for now. All right, now you've been registered and you're set up. So you can go in and now log in. Your username that you just created can be typed in. And now, all right, at this point you'll get an email and you'll need to confirm your email address and it'll let you log in. All right, on here there are lots of things to do, but I'm going to walk you through just setting up a list. We're not going to have students records, and there's really a lot of cool things you can do with this, but I want to just get you started so that you can have students practice different vocabulary or spelling. All right, on here there's a tab called List Management. It's right here on this page. When you log in, it's also up here under List Management, and you can click on that. The first thing I'm going to have you do is create a new list. Click here for Create a New List. You can create lists by grade level, lists by subject matter. You can identify it any way you need. A lot of times I use this for spelling or vocabulary lists, and it's a matter of a system that you want to list out. You know, spelling list number 1, vocabulary list that goes with story number whatever. So we're going to call this one Digital Citizenship. Oh, brother. Okay. And I teach 5th grade. If I wanted to, I could put a description in to this, or I could leave it alone. I might go ahead and just type in my list, whatever list you have going on. So we're going to use okay. I'm going to go ahead and put just 5 And for your assignment, I'm going to have you put 5 words. Down here, you've got some options to have the words as entered, listed alphabetically, or just listed randomly. If you wanted to add a list of 100 words or 7 words or whatever number, you can go ahead and click on this. It would add 1 word at a time, 5 words at a time, 10 words, which are really just spaces for those words. Then we're ready to publish the list. That was easy, right? Okay, so now here's my list, and I've got words and sentences that SpellingCity automatically puts in. So here is my word I put in, digital. I have definition choices, readable by computer, using numerals, expressing data in numerals, or if I don't like that one, I can add a new. Here's a sentence that might be given to the student as an example, and I'm going to leave this one first just alone. Citizenship, it only has one choice for me, and it is already selected. Again, you could add a different one if you wanted to. This one doesn't have an automatic definition or a sentence, so I want the students to know what it's going to be. So having to do with computers. Okay, and then I'm going to give the students a sentence. Students were called cyber bullies because they were harassing peers using the internet. All right. If I want to, I can put in part of speech, depending on what you want students to learn. And now you can see our new word with our new definition, and our created sentence has now appeared. Okay, internet, I've already got a definition and sentence I'm happy with. Technology, let's see, I'm going to use this one. Okay, and now I'm happy with all these. At this point, I could add more words if I wanted. Again, I could change the order, and I'm ready to publish. Okay, now you can see here's my list, digital citizenship, and I've got some options over here. So what I want you to do now is go in and create your own account, and I want you to publish a list of at least 5 items with their definitions and sentences, and go ahead and put a link to that on the Wigio so we can all see what you've done. If you have some initial ideas of how you could use SpellingCity in your classroom, or how a peer could use SpellingCity in a classroom, go ahead and put that in the comment at this point too.